I have kale. Massive bag of kale. I got the butter, chicken, rosemary, onions. Onion. Rosemary we can cook for a while. I don't know what that flavor will be like after a long time, so I don't know if I want to do that quite yet. If we're cooking slowly, I think we can add the garlic in relatively early. In the water, we'll be able to cook our chicken, kale, and I did not get flour, I just realized. I think I will just use rice, just throw in some carbs in there. We should really get cooking. Onion. I loved shucking oysters. Okay, well. Anyways. If I were to go back anymore, I might slip off of the onion. So I take that part off, flip it, and then cut again. Because now you have a lot more surface. It's a lot less sketchy. This is a lot of onion. Throw our onions in there. This whole pot is going to be full of onions. I'm not the most consistent with my cutting, I will say, but flip this onion a little early. All right, this one's a little fuckered. Hello? Oh. Gordon Ramsay's shitting his pants right now. Dude, this is a ton of onion. Everything will make sense at the end of the product. Keeping everything in one pot, then you're keeping all of those flavors together. Stay hydrated. Okay. Just make sure none of this shit's sticky. I haven't washed it yet. I will be washing it. But kale, you kind of just shuck. Peel it off of this big stem because that stem is super chewy. Okay, kind of fish around for any weird shit. Kale is super crinkly. You know, things can hide in there. Okay, and then we're gonna pour it out. Shit, here briefly. Okay, so it's cooking a little bit on the bottom, which is, at least it's not like super sticky. Kind of weirdly smells like macaroni and cheese. I hate the word mac and cheese. Like it just sounds so stupid. It's like you have cheddar cheese and then you have American cheese. It's like American cheese is just like a false like cousin to cheddar cheese. That's exactly how I feel about mac and cheese compared to macaroni and cheese. I mean, I just kind of pack it all into a fucking ball. I will never forget when my friend said that he is a jack of all trades. And his name is Jack. While this is cooking, you want to have everything kind of ready to just drop it in. The next thing that I'm gonna put in there, the things that we need to do right now is clean the rice and could season it right now if we wanted to. Pardon the change in video quality. GoPro decided to die. Onions. Get that shit. I believe you poached this for about 20 minutes. Oh yeah, no. This pan is crowded as shit. So we're gonna let that sit for a bit. I gotta set a timer for 10 minutes and the chicken's gonna be cooking for 20. I don't know why I didn't think of this. The kale mixed with the onions smells like fucking banana. A little bit. Add the rest of our kale. Pardon the very energetic music. Pour liquor. So here we're gonna lick our pan. It's working. It's just a little dry underneath all this water. Küchenhelfer. No, that's kitchen helper. I think this will really balance out those flavors because the onion and kale flavor is just a little bit strange. The chicken is splitting actually super easily. Let's see. That chicken is definitely cooked actually. I'm gonna take this out and fork it. The chicken cooked. I mean, I don't know what I thought would happen. I don't know what the difference between shoegaze and alternative is. I don't want to add cold water to it just because I don't want to stop the emulsifying process. This song just came out today. There's one bass line in it that is just like it's that. It's a little bit late to add garlic, I'm not gonna lie. For those who don't know, this is called wave music. Okay, now with our sketchy broth, we're gonna put it in here. That looks more like a soup. I'm gonna taste the broth, make sure. Oh, damn. Yes, this is a real image. My finger in burning. In here, just we'll let this cool down and then we're gonna throw it in the fridge. You know, I probably have about like 3 or 4 more of those. So let's break down the calories actually real quick. So we do 500. And then rice is 360. Okay. I had 8. Okay, that's a decent bit. Kale, I'm just gonna say 70 actually. We're gonna divide that by, I think you could get like 5 bowls out of that.